Yo, yo, yo. We live, baby. We live. We live in the building. What's up? What's up? What's up? Market is open. Yo, so let me just first start off by saying get my little prayer, man. Pray to Jesus for the discipline I need to stay patient and wait for my setup. Pray for Jesus for my eyes to be able to see my setup forming when it's coming. I pray to Jesus for the discipline to cut my losses short, set my stop losses early, and lock in some profit. Pray to Jesus to keep my hands diligent. Pray to Jesus for consistent and profitable trades, not only today, but through the rest of my career. Amen. A little behind schedule this morning, but it's all right. Just a little pop-up. I didn't even notify nobody I was going live today. Just testing out this new streaming app I got. I'm live on YouTube. If you on YouTube, I'm live on Facebook streaming right now. So I'm getting my chart set up. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just marking out the 5-minute candle high, 5-minute candle low. Let me put my previous day high, my previous day low. Let me mark that out real quick. Market moving though. We at all-time highs again. The market is definitely moving, baby. Alright. It's my previous day low. Change the color to purple because I like purple. Annotate what it is. Previous day low, which was Tuesday, 8/12/25. Boom, go up here, do my previous day high. You're already above the previous day high. So let's just see if we can keep that momentum. I'm looking for a pullback at any time now, so I'm not really in a rush to jump into no calls. But we're going to take what the market gives us and see about, in a couple dollars. Make this a little bigger. I told you I was going to work on trying to get my screen to be able to show a little better up on here while I'm going live. And I've achieved that, not only the screen able to be seen better, but they got your cameras as well. You feel me? See that? Oh yeah, I don't look to see that. All right, so see I marked out the 5-minute candle high, the 5-minute candle low, and I'm just looking for a break. It kind of broke above it. Already. But I'm not going to jump into no call right now just because. So let me open up my option chart and let's just see what's going on. I didn't mark that gap. I didn't mark that gap. Let me mark that gap real quick. Mark this gap from where we closed at yesterday to where it opened this morning. It's a gap that's going to need to get filled sometime or another. 70% of all gaps do get filled. So it might get filled immediately. It might get filled tomorrow. It might get filled later on this week, later on this month, later on this year. Or it might not get filled at all. You feel me? So let me just look and see what these option contracts looking like. It's coming back down through that 5-minute candle high. How y'all feeling out there this morning? I'm feeling good. I'm a little hungry, kind of excited. I got this little stream thing. Can y'all see my screen all right out there? Y'all see my screen pretty good? Yeah, it looked much better than what it did previously. So you can see the price of the SPY over here. The current candle forming is red. Got this little black box, that's the gap area. Got my trend line. Got the 5-minute candle high, 5-minute candle low. So let me just look at some contracts both ways. This is a moment of special exuberance, and you see Coinbase was the largest exchange in the world by market cap, certainly the Circle IPO. You want to be nimble to make money both ways if the market go up or if the market go down. 647. I give me a quick little scalp somewhere. You're saying something important that people may not fully understand. You seem to believe that stocks and bonds at some point made trade tokens. So it's 648. I need a pen real quick. CEOs of the major TradFi exchanges, and everyone is talking about it now and saying, hey, what's it's feeling more real now. You had a head of the SEC who made a comment. Crypto and America have one thing in common: freedom. So you have a regulator who's actively looking to promote blockchain technology because it is more transparent, it's more efficient, it's more secure. So that's the opportunity. The opportunity is enormous. All right, so let's see. So if the regulations got more clear, is it detected? Let me put this all-time high up here. Where we at right now? All-time high. And I'll take that 8/13/25. So we at all-time highs right now. So the market definitely will pull back at some time. Let's see. We above. No. Volume is still pumping. I might go ahead and try. Let me see. I'm over here on my phone. I'm pulling up the option contract to possibly get into a trade. Underestimated with respect to their sophistication, and so we went with a full. I said 3 million. I'm sorry, it was 6 million. Right, it was 6 million. Yeah, almost 21%. It was almost 20%. Yeah, and I think I'm just selfishly, retail may be the marginal price, right? But we also think they're underestimated in terms of their sophistication. I think I might go ahead and see what we got here. It's interesting to say that because, as per you, 2014, you thought this could be big. There are a lot of visionary retail people who moved into
someone like Jamie Dimon, who was talking this down at the same time that people were already making fortunes. This has been something that actually, and you talked about freedom,
still pushing.
Start with individuals who have a vision, and it's just the institutions that have a vision. You got to be excited about the fact that this is a groundswell.
Jim, the craziest thing I ever did in my career, and I just struck an event for sitting, he's right over here, for sitting here in this chair. In 2013, I went to Jeff, and I said, my neighbor, this kid Danny, he's starting a blockchain company. Can we put in $10 million? And Jeff said, that's nuts. I love it. I'm in. And we put $10 million into Coinbase.
That thing I ran up $10 from the price that it was when I first looked at the contract.
And so I've been into this idea of blockchain as this.
I don't look like it want to slow down, do it?
It didn't happen. I told Jeff, said, well, why are you such a big fan? I said, oh, the institutions are going to love this. And it could considerably the New York Stock Exchange. I was dead wrong on all of that. Well, the timing was dead wrong. I'm back here.
It's still trying happening. Yeah. Did you get a big on that at all?
No, but on the earnings call with Jeff Harvest at 1.5 billion, he said, my former colleague Tom Farley did this deal, so at least I have to give him credit for the one good thing he did. And again, Tom Farley could pull me off here.
Yeah.
Quick thing. We had a roadshow Monday through Friday last week. Red Eye to Vilnius, Lithuania, and my daughter Tegan, one of the three apples in my eye, won the gold medal in the World Junior Rowing Championship for Team USA. And I just want to say, I love you and I'm proud of all the hard work you put in. As you back Sunday night, we got back to the race.
As you should be. That's
my older daughter Dave rows for the Hoyas.
it was great. Nothing better than that. Tom, do want to end on business.
Ride the wave.
Stablecoin, is that correct?
Absolutely.
Got a feeling as soon as I get in, it's going to try to pull back. But I'm going to ride the wave and see, take a chance. See if I could get filled in on the call real quick.
Most of those are going to ride on Solana rails.
So if I could get filled in on the call real quick.
For us is the way we really like using Solana. We're taking $1 billion in stablecoins. We're big stablecoin guys. I could talk to you guys about that all day, but I think this is probably the first IPO in history that's actually taken the proceeds and crypto.
Well, I have a feeling we'll be talking in the future as well. So.
All right, I'm in. Just got filled in on the call. Let's see how this go. Just jumped in. Ride this momentum. We ride this momentum. This is just a momentum trade. As soon as I get up 5%, I'm gonna go ahead and set my stop loss. See, I'm in the call right here. I'm up 3%. I risked $118. It's at 121 right now. So as soon as I could get the 5%, I'm gonna go ahead and set my stop loss. 18. So my stop loss. Let me see and do some math real quick. If I could get to 124, that thing pushing. That pushing. Let me set my stop loss right now. It's at 129. And just set my stop loss, so at least I know I won't lose none in case it try to reverse down real quick. Gotta be quick though. Gotta be quick. Wasn't quick enough. It came back down before I could get it in. It came back down before I can get it in. We're still above this 100-day moving average. The RSI still pointing up. RSI looking good, still pointing up. So the trade still kind of valid somewhat. Just up here in new territory. We up here in new territory. Yeah, we in the trade. We in the trade. They're battling right there right now. They're battling. I'm just looking how the price of this contract is moving. Up 4.5%. You can see right here. So it's gonna push up a little bit more for me. See what happens when this candle closes. Yeah, should have got in a little earlier, but it's all good. It's all good. Still got a lot of buyers in the building. They're catching FOMO. Don't want to get left at the train station. 13 EMA pointing up to 48 pointing up. We above the 200-day moving average. Can I get my stop loss set? It's at 124. Trying to set it at 125. I did see it get as high as 129 at one point before it came down. Let's see how this candle close. See what that next candle going to do. $121, $122. This contract just was $100, not even 5 minutes ago. Might be safe setting it at 120 just to get them profits locked in. Still pushing up. You know, a lot of people was up there ready trying to short the market, expecting for it to reverse and come down hard, but I don't see no reversal signs yet. Look at that big red candle just came. Coming to retest. Ain't coming down hard. Yeah, look like I got caught out there. I didn't get in there and set that stop loss quick enough. That thing down. I'm down 9% now. I didn't get in there and set my stop loss quick enough. Yeah, I might have blew this one big time. But this is what we gonna do though. We're gonna set a limit. 20%. 20%.
What Kevin understood was that he couldn't achieve the value and profit. Unfortunately, is not cheap. It just costs too much for
trying to push back up now a little bit. Down 2%, down 1%. Almost back to break even. Yeah, so while I'm on the stream, I can't see any comments. So if anybody is on watching, which I can't tell, if anybody on watching and they making comments, I won't be able to see it right now. So you can, I can answer your comments a little later once I'm done. Once I'm done. All right, just give me a little push up, because I knew I was taking a real gamble. I was taking a real chance getting in that high up there. But I figured I could just get in and get out real quick, which I was trying to do. But before I could set my limit, I had came down past it, and then it just kind of kept flirting with it. I should have still set it for less profit, but I didn't. So that's what I get. If I don't get nothing, no profit out this trade, that's my own fault. I ain't even mad. That's definitely all on me, and that's definitely a habit that I'm working on trying to break, which is not getting my limit set soon as I get in profit. The motto is get in, get up, and get out, but I didn't follow it today. See green, take green. So now it's just a waiting game and try not to lose much. Unless we could get another push back up and I could get back in the profit real quick. And I got my thing set to set my limit so I could be good. Down 6%, 7%. You can see right here I'm in the red. I'm down right there. I was just up like about 4 or 5%. Let's see. We had a crucial level. Yeah, it looked like it want to come down. That's my fault if I lose this trade. Definitely my fault. Wasn't quick enough. Look at that big red candle. Oh, don't like that at all. Don't like that at all. See if they can hold above this 5-minute candle level high right here. If they can hold above that, look like they want to come down through that to fill that damn gap. Yo, I'm gonna be mad as hell. I'm gonna be mad as hell. I'm gonna be mad as hell. Man, they trying to sell off on you, boy. They trying to sell off on you, boy. Let's see what more. RSI pointing down hard, boy. Pointing down hard. But it ain't too bad, because we still got 5 of the mag 7 in green, so we ain't too bad. But 99, we getting close to my threshold, man. That thing get to 93, I might have to cut out. But since I do have a couple days on it, I might try to hold on and add to it. So these is all things that's playing in my mind, you know what I'm saying? Just analyzing, ready to make decisions and going back and forth and seeing what I really want to do. 98, down 15%. Definitely not good. But like I said, that's definitely all on me. Because I had plenty of opportunity to set my level where I wouldn't have lost anything on this trade. So it's still all a learning experience as I go every day to get better and better. So I ain't mad. For real. Don't want to lose any money. But I ain't mad. I just need for the next time to just make sure I do that shit. Yeah. Okay, we got a little push up. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. We got 102. Only down 14% right now. Come on, buyers. But the good sign is we staying above this line right here, which is my 5-minute candle high. So this could just ultimately just be a retest before it shoot back up. So kind of want to add to it. Gotta bring my cost down to 110. Kind of want to add to it. Kind of want to add to it, but I'm not. I'm gonna sit tight right now. Got that doji right there. Got that red doji and the green doji. That's making me think it won't push back up. Man, I'm gonna take a chance and add to it. Do I? I don't know. It's coming back down. You know what? I think I am. See if this candle start pushing a little bit. I don't know. Still going down a little bit. The buyers is definitely there. We at. Let's see. Looking left to see. I don't know why I'm looking left. Ain't nothing to see because we're in new territory. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. I think I'm going to add to this position. Bring my cost down a little bit. Pick up another contract. Push it back up. Only down 10% right now. Well, I didn't get a chance to add quick enough. So we're just gonna rock with this one for right now. Let's see. 17. 12. Tellers is up there. Still staying right on that 5-minute high. We ain't really break down. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add one more, bring my cost down. Alright, start pointing up a little bit right here. Still kind of high, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to add one. Bring my cost down so I can try to get in profit sooner.
Two open seats is my expectation. I also understand that the permanent replacement for the Goodwood position being occupied by Biden will follow the
I'll go ahead and add one.
So that will come later. And so at the end of the day, the Fed chair will have, depending upon if there are other people who resign, 4 of the 7 board seats. So we'll have a good majority there. And whether or not those board seats are followed by or supported by in there, rate decisions by the president, they can.
Alright, I just placed the order to add one, see if it get filled. No, I didn't get filled yet.
Obviously has good guys in terms of the outlook for the Fed. 10-year, a little bit more circumspect.
Didn't get filled yet.
As you see there, I'm looking at the Fed plus trade. There's a 100% chance of a rate cut. There's a little bit of tiny toying with a possibility of 50.
Got CNBC in the background.
Squeeze out all the bears and run to their fullest extent, start to rotate and include all those over time. I mean, seeing 12 would not be weird, because that's kind of what you get to in midsummer trading.
Okay, so I was able to add another one. So my cost is 110 instead of 118. So see if I can get a little push up. Still staying above that 5-minute high, so this could just be the retest. Low volume imbalance right here, so it could just be a retest for it to shoot back up. That's what I'm hoping and anticipating. So I can get back in profit. Come on, don't start that nonsense. Push down a little bit more on the CAD. You start going inside that black box, man. I might have to just really reassess and really reevaluate what I want to do here with this trade. Yeah, man. Like I said, I shouldn't even still be in this trade, to be honest. I really shouldn't be in this trade. I should already been out with profit. Oh my goodness. Look at that BS.
MSNBC has announced the date for our next big live event. The hosts have some great in-person experiences and a conversation with the long deal makers. MSNBC Live 25 anchors, experts, and fans. This year,
Yeah, I knew. I said up here is due for a pullback, a turnaround. I said that. I said that. That's why I was just trying to get in and get out real quick, but I wasn't able to. It's all good. Keeping the faith. Down 12%. Need the buyer to step in. Sellers trying to take full control. Might just be trying to come down to this 13 and bounce off that 13 in the May. That's what I'm hoping. Down 15%. It is what it is. We're just gonna let this thing play out and see how it go. Like I said, I knew I was taking a big chance getting in up there, and I did get in, and I was up some profit. And by the time I went to go try to set my stop loss to lock my profit in, it fell below my threshold, and I still had opportunity after that to lock in a profit that was less than what my target would have been. But I was determined to at least get 5% out of it. And if I'd at least locked in 3%, I wouldn't be in this trade right now. I'd have been out with some profit. But since I didn't do that, I'm stuck in this trade right now, down 13%. But I did add, I got 2 contracts now, and my cost was 118. Now my average cost is 110. So it's still a valid trade because we minute opening range. Do that now. Okay, what just happened? Okay. Lock in my 30-minute opening range. Hope this is just a retracement range. Think about cutting my loss. Like I prayed to Jesus about cutting my losses early. Can't go down to 40, 50, 60%. Can't do that. unless I plan on adding and bringing my average cost down lower. But I don't want to do that because we're really still high up in the market. So it's definitely due to pull back and fall, and it's going to fall hard. It's going to fall hard. So
still probably playing a bit sturdier in the first half than it's going to be in the second half. Job growth is slowing, so labor income growth is slow. We got some one-off Social Security back payments that we're not going to get again.
check this chart. Got all of these dojis right here above. That's giving me an indication that they're ready to boom, shoot back up off of this 100. Look like it want to shoot back up off of this 100 EMA. That's this black line right here, my 100 EMA.
So one thing that I think we've learned that maybe I didn't fully appreciate is just that the very main reasons that are implementation lines of the ladies.
Go, Gadget, go, go, go. Come on, I need this next candle to come on and boost some green in my life. Put some green in my life. There we go. Put a little green in my life. Come on. Come on.
For the same reasons it has been for the last 3 years. But I also think that these current effects will push in the other direction, probably push inflation about 3%. I don't think this will matter a whole lot.
Average price is just below the current market price. I don't think I got more. Put my average line on there. There we go. So we got below average volume. The sell volume is decreasing. See if this buy volume could pick up. It's like it don't want to get off of this 100 EMA right here, man. I know it's gonna go down, but I don't want it to go down now, man. Now.
Services, kind of a strange thing, but that's where everything happens. David, most people come to work every day in this country without the expectation that the president is going to publicly post they should be fired. I'm just curious, did incentives show at all in your team yesterday in your economics team? Does it change the way you do anything or look at anything or look at the data? We're just trying to do the best we can.
Slipping below that 100. Check the 13 in, man. And those are just indicators I use to give me an indication of how the trade is going, if the trend is continuing or if the trend is breaking. Let's see something.
This is a new chapter of Minecraft. Without solutions, you will enable edge AI everywhere. Your life will be changed forever.
Let's see how far is it retracing. Oh, we had about 75% retracement. I don't know. It look like this thing wanna look like it wanna reverse on me 4 hours is still showing healthy uptrend. Still showing a healthy uptrend. We're still above yesterday's previous high. So the trade is still valid technically. I just don't like that I'm down right now because I shouldn't be down. That's why they say get in, get up, and get out. So I got in, I got up, but I wasn't able to get out. I'm still dropping like it's hot. Oh God, dang. Killing me right now. Down 20%. Oh, I'm about at my max drawdown right now, yo. I'm about at my max drawdown right now at this point. Bruh. Trying to get back my profits I made so far this week. Alright, we get here. It gotta bounce up for me. That's the pre-market high right there. That resistance need to turn to support, man. Need to turn to support. Mm. 83. I think if we get down to 79, I'm gonna add one more time. Gotta bring my cost down to 100. I think I'm gonna add one more time. Damn, y'all. I fucked that up big time. I messed that up big time. I should not even be in this situation. Yeah, I got flushed out. It's going to try to fill that gap. I don't got flushed out. So we is in this little demand zone right here. Wonder if we could get a bounce off this demand zone. Yeah, this blue area is the demand zone, so look like we got a little reaction off of that. Look like we got a little reaction off of that demand zone. Is it enough to give it a little boost up? We at the bottom of this 5-minute candle range, at the bottom of the 30-minute opening range. Got a little fair value gap right here. Hopefully it can bounce over here and come back to this fair value gap, but we definitely is inside of this gap up that we created from yesterday's close to today's opening. And look, here that thing going down. About to add one more. About to add one more. 78. Add one more. 78. We're gonna add one more. We're gonna add one more.
Some people like.
I want to add one more. I do. I really do. Right here in this demand zone.
All your financial info together in one place and updates it automatically. How easy is that? A secret hoard of 1932 $10 gold Indian coins have been found. These gorgeous 1932 gold coins are as bright and shiny as the day they were struck, and less than 400 of these gold coins are available. Coin experts are calling a secret U.S. gold coin discovery a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and you can own a piece of a war. When you call, you are guaranteed a 1932 dated gold coin featuring Lady Liberty with an Indian warhead.
I'm gonna add one more.
With limited availability, you must call now. These 1932 dated gold coins are still
We get to 77. Again, I'm gonna add one more.
92 years of history you can hold in your hand. Call 1-888-870-6353. Call now and you will receive a free bonus.
Add one more.
To secure your 1932
Add one more in this demand zone. That'll be that.
Don't wait. You must act fast. Call now.
Bring my cost down a little bit more.
If you have both Medicare and Medicaid, I have some really encouraging news that you definitely want to hear. Depending on the plans available in your area, you may be eligible to get extra benefits. If you have Medicare Advantage,
I don't know what they want to do right now. They want to keep pushing through this demand zone. Look like I got filled. Alright, so I got filled. Now I have 3 contracts. My average price is 99. Got 3 contracts, average price 99. Total amount I'm risking is $297. So I'm sure if I could get this demand bounce right here. I can't get this demand bounce. I'm gonna have to cut. I look like you want to bounce off of that demand zone. Look like you want to bounce off of it. Look like you want to go down and fill this gap. Look like you want to go down and fill this gap.
Seeing too much traffic there, but in terms of traffic, a lot of it in the stock itself. You got a very small float. Remember, the Ellisons and Redford.
Look like they want to go and fill that gap. They want to try to knock me out the box.
So you do have that going for you as well. Kind of reminiscent of the old days.
All right, so I'm gonna let y'all know the status of this trade and how it goes on the post. I only want to stay on here for an hour, so my session is about to end in about 3 minutes. So I will update how this trade went. on this post. All right, so just to recap, right now I'm down 25%. The price of my contract is currently at 74. My average cost is 99. I spent a total of 297. I got 3 contracts, and I'm down 25% right now. This is the name of the contract is a SPY 650 call dated out to August 18, 2025. So I will put that information on this post once this trade is concluded to get y'all the stats and the updates, because I'm about to end this live. Don't want to be on here more than an hour. Actually, I can't because I got the free streaming and it only lets you stream for an hour at a time. So I don't want to click out and click back in with the same live. So we're just going to make it do what it do. So those that tuned in, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like I said, I done turned the winning trade into a losing trade right now. What that rapper said, I forgot who it was. He was like, I think it was MOP. He was like, yo, flip a 6-month sentence to a 12-year bid. Yeah, I just flipped a 6-month sentence into a 12-year bid right now. Hopefully these buyers can step in and push it up a little bit. You know what I mean? Hopefully these buyers can step in and push it up a little bit. But if not, it's all good. Lesson learned. I know not to do that again, even though I done said that before and I still did it again. But it's all good. We get better with time. Figure it out. Get good at this thing. So yeah, we on the countdown, a minute countdown. This thing is going to automatically shut off. So before it shut off, I just want to say love, peace, and hair grease to everybody that tuned in live. Everybody that tuned into the post after the live ended. Like I said, I'll put the stats in the post with the screenshots of how this play turned out for me. Getting a little bit of green right now. That's good. 28 seconds left, so I'm still down 26%. So, like I said, I holler back on the holler back for the holler backs. All right? Peace, y'all.